Hi. Welcome to Win Studio. Subscribe for all update of online tutorial. Now I will explain how install the 3ds Max 2018. 3ds Max required minimum 8 GB RAM. You can also check the link below for requirements. Details is provided in descriptions. And all the software links will provided in the description. Let us start. First we have the downloaded 3ds Max file on desktop, so open that, then double click in setup.exe file. Wait still it load. Now click on install. Install on this PC. You will get license. Click on agree and click next. It take you to next step. Click where you want to install the software. I prefer C drive for it. Click install now. Now it will start to install onto your computer. It take different intervals of time to install according to your system speed. For a normal computer it may take up to 30 minutes, so I will forward to the end now. Now it is done. You can watch all it is installed here in this page. Now click on finish. So now you need to crack this, otherwise you can't use it. Guys, I will give you step-by-step video to crack 3ds Max. You can see that and crack this software. Thank you for watch this video. Now click on the crack video above and enjoy.